För.
I.
Nästa.
Om. I.
På.
I.
För.
På. På.
Nästa.
På.
I måndags.
På. I.
På.
I.
I.
På. I.
Om.
På.
The Swedish Time Expressions Pro course is an online self-paced video and exercises course that will help you master Swedish time expressions with confidence. The course is suitable for upper beginner and intermediate learners, but it's also perfect for more advanced learners that feel that they often get these things wrong. You need to be familiar with these verb tenses: present tense, past tense, supinum, and future expressions. Prepositions are one of the hardest things to learn in Swedish. Time expressions often include prepositions. If you get them wrong and say, for example, last Monday instead of next Monday, it can get really confusing and you can miss out on critical information or mislead others. We use these expressions all the time, so if you want to reach a more fluent stage, it's important to get them right. You will learn and practice time expressions according to categories. This will make it much easier to learn them and to remember them. You get 8 modules with access to instructional videos, exercises, cheat sheets and Quizlet sets with 103 phrases and words so that you can really practice them. To be honest, most online courses and apps teach catchphrases like ordering food in a restaurant. This course is different. It focuses on an area that many Swedish learners find really difficult. You'll learn patterns, rules and hacks that you can use in everyday situations. They are essential for being able to hold a conversation in Swedish. You'll have 12 months access to the videos and Quizlet sets, and the documents are downloadable as well. This is your chance to sort out your time expressions once and for all. No more doubting, no more guessing. Enrollment for this course is only open until the 31st of May. So, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?